Farms, and I wanted to show off this wonderful old school truck that rolled into our shop today. This is a 1982 Toyota pickup truck with the long bed single cab, but it's a diesel, and that's what's really cool about it. It's a Survivor. The gentleman that brought it in, a nice Vietnam veteran, we had a little discussion about this thing. He found it sitting on the side of a barn. It had been there for about 8 or 9 years, and he brought it back to life and has been driving it. I did try to buy it from him, but he was very proud of the car, and rightfully so. I imagine there's probably less than 100 of these left in the United States, and of those, probably 25, maybe 30 of them still run. Inside here, you can see the dash is actually in decent shape. Still got the original AM/FM radio. It's a 4-speed, but the dash isn't cracked. The seats weren't tore up. Obviously, a lot of patina, a lot of surface rust, but not bad, man. Oh, a 5-speed. Sorry, it's a 5-speed diesel. Oh, step bumper in there. Really cool. Anyway, that's it. Just wanted to share that with you. Take care.